Allied All-City Plumbing's Zero Contact service is your assurance that we're putting safety first. On the phone, we'll ask if you have special instructions for our service technicians when they arrive at your home or business. On the job, we'll keep a safe distance, wear boot covers, face masks, disposable gloves, and other protective gear. We're following CDC guidelines, washing hands and disinfecting touch points. And we'll put on fresh gloves before handling your paperwork and credit cards. You can depend on Allied All-City Plumbing to lead the way in safety with zero contact service.